So we concentrate on the graduate program today. And then Mikkel will step in when it comes to the new profile. To make up your mind to which profile you want to contribute. And maybe we can have a mixture of people working at CBS and people working somewhere else.
I would like to look further into the role of the campaign, how that can be unfolded both in theory and practice.
I think I will reflect on what CapMarcom is becoming since I started in 2011.
Tatjana?
Yeah, I guess I would like to talk to, I don't know, some of my fellow students because I know that I'm quite specific in my opinions about CapMarcom, and I think that they have a lot to contribute that I haven't thought of yet.
Well, I think it's important that I always also myself value that to have those discussions between both students as well as the you can say the faculty here at CBS or other universities about what is needed from the, you can say the future employers and on the other side what is actually the edge in the research and how do these things go together.
What did you learn in school today?
I guess I learned something about the commonalities between the profiles.
I learned something about the general fruitfulness of meetings like this. Sitting together, planning the course together with practitioners, with the students and so on, and I like this.
Take the best you can from the world-class cases and world-class academia and translate it into a Danish context.
But just to comment on that, it's not because I don't think that we should educate people and then they go out and they become, they're very disappointed about things. But I also think it's very important that we don't sort of take the dreams out of it.
And I was happy to learn that there was no sort of outspoken resistance to the kind of many hours of work that we've put into to doing this for the past 6 months or so. So thank you.